guys, it's Kendra from The Creative Life. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial. I have these little tank tops that I wear almost underneath all my shirts when it starts getting hot outside, and I've had these for years, but for some reason for the past month they've started getting these little stains underneath it. I don't know if it's because the formula for the deodorant has changed or if I'm just sweating more, and I'm trying to show you guys most of them. But I've used a regular warm wash. I've tried my regular wash and hot water, and nothing's working. So we're gonna do a little tutorial. It's hard to see on this one because it's a lighter color. Let's try this side. We're gonna do a little tutorial on how to get these stains out. And it's even doing it on my, my black tank. It's leaving little white stains on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do an easy little tutorial, just a little concoction I have to go ahead and take care of these stains, so I can go ahead wearing my tank tops again with confidence and not worried about these little pit stains showing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. See you guys in a little bit. These are simple ingredients that you more than likely have around your house that we're going to use. It's baking soda. You can use any brand. I'm using 3% hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide does have a slight dyeing effect, but a low percentage should be good for you. And then definitely use the Dawn, the blue Dawn scrubbing dishwashing soap. I have a little of baking soda already separated out just because I don't want to dump too much baking soda on my shirt whenever I'm starting. We are going to start with the easiest one. I'm thinking it's the easiest one because it's the lightest one. Then I'm going to work my way up to the harder ones. But as you can see, here's the stain right here, and it's on each pit. So I'm going to start with just a little peroxide on each side, and this is the squeeze top. Just saturate a little, or saturate it with a little peroxide. Okay, next I'm going to add, I'm going to use I'm going to say it's a quarter of a tablespoon, but it's not an actual tablespoon measurement. I'm just really eyeballing it, and I'm going to put it on the peroxide. And you have to scrub it in. There may be a slight reaction, but make sure you rub the peroxide in there. Okay, and now that I have both sides done, just add a little bit, this is the squeeze top kind, a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and rub it in. And I'm going to do the other 3 shirts the exact same way before we put them in a hot cycle. First, I'm going to do this to them and let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, moment of truth, everybody. The dryer just stopped, and we are going to check each of them out. And I think it'll work, you guys. Check this out. You really don't know how excited I am. I was really embarrassed wearing these shirts because I couldn't get them out, but now look at this. We're going to check all of them because, you know, the different colors may have... It worked. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like I said, the reason I did it on these, it usually works on the other fabrics, but these for some reason I've had for a while, so I didn't know if this method would work like it would on the other cotton shirts, but it completely got rid of all of these stains. Okay, and it did not bleach my whites. It has a little lint right there, but there's no bleaching. The little sparklies are gone and everything. Look at that, you guys. So if you guys want to see more tutorials and see what else I have in store, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you for following us today on The Creative Life.